anvil and a structured block.
Depending on the device, you can type or copy and paste the paragraph symbol, or you can look through alternate keyboards on things like PlayStation or Xbox. Be sure to save the structure as the same way that we named it. Be sure to save it in a way where it doesn't break blocks. This command will make it teleport above an entity, and it will stay there until detonation. All of the not selectors are all things I don't want it to teleport or latch on. If you're going to make it the same way as I am for the OPK project, be sure to keep in those custom tags. If not, feel free to just remove those. And even some of the other selectors if you don't really care about that either. Be sure to keep in the Sephiroth one though. Because this is just a testing world, I actually had all of the commands partially completed before I started recording. And during the making of this tutorial, I actually went back and had to remake a bunch of the commands so that I can actually get to work properly. I was missing a bunch of the OPK setups and had some unnecessary commands that I just had there for testing. After finishing recording, I then decided to just redo it, and yeah, hope you liked the vid. These are actually some of the first commands that I really thought it would be really cool to me to do, and it got me into more of the commands in general. Before this, I did dabble in commands, but nothing more than effect and give. A lot of this video is actually inspired by Epitaphsial's Batman commands.